Today we there with
Mellisa.
Alright. What do you think about tropical star Mellisa?
Well, right now, a bit things are going, you know, because see breeze a blow and rain a fall, and my fence blow down already. You see, pray.
Yeah.
So, ballings right now.
You prepared?
Yeah, man. Prepare me chop all in, grocery, food, whole heap of item, put in my house and the outside I go and normal out. You see, pray.
You batten down?
Yeah, man. Fully buttoned down, man. You see me? Everything good.
Now what you need right now?
You know, say right now, what me need, me have everything on my yard already. Me have my woman, me have grocery, everything. So, me no want nothing right now. Me just watch the storm. Stormy weather, you see it?
Anybody you like to big up?
Yo, big up the whole world, you know. Big up yard and broad, you know, all over the globe, you know. You see me? I want go, man.
Yeah, big up Jeremy. Today we there with
Jeremy.
Mr. Jeremy, tropical star Mellisa, you prepare?
Long time. Couple backing up. Make sure say the house well in input and buy a couple groceries and so same way.
You just want a girl in your bed now?
Yeah, but a nice fat girl in my bed and me good man.
Anybody you like to big up?
You know say big up all the who we are drink yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah man. And it's storm, never say this storm we are coming now, it's a very serious storm, you know.
Yeah.
Mellisa they say name though.
Yeah.
And them say that storm we are about to forward.
Yeah.
Even worse than Gilbert.
You afraid?
No man, the greatest thing we have to give God thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah. That is it.
Alright. Today we there with
Ain't gonna lie.
Mr. Ain't gonna lie, you prepare for tropical star Mellisa?
I prepare as much as I can prepare now.
Yeah.
Everything else we just have to go by a day, though.
Yeah.
And watch the clock and watch the storm weather. Because them have a report them, you know. You have to keep up to date. Shout out to everybody with a nice storm. Hopefully, when prepare, safe, strap down all these things. Food, stock up. Generator, them have out. Everything else is solar. But you know, say solar problem. Because I say somebody go get a solar fan. I say, when them go get the sunlight to get the breeze?
Yeah.